Number 2, know the pain points and of course, the needs of the business. Ito yung mga puwede niyong itanong during your interview with them, like ano yung challenges nila. Pain points can be termed as like the challenges of the business. Ano yung parang tingin niyo is kailangan nila? For example, sinabi nila sa job description, kailangan namin ng katulong sa email management, calendar management. You know that one of their challenge is organization. Why do you need to know it? You need to know their pain points and needs for you to prepare how to discuss your skills in order for you to solve or help with these challenges. 'Di ba? Ang hirap alamin pero ito yung mga ako sa line ko as an executive VA. Kailangan mo kasi talagang maging proactive sa client. Kailangan mapakita mo sa kanila na andun ka to help them.